Tesla plans to pause production on Cybertruck and Model Y lines for a week at its Austin factory. Business Insider has learned that's the week of July 4th. It would be at least the third such shutdown in a year. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com, and I have a very interesting story to tell you about Tesla's temporary pause. So Business Insider reports that in a meeting earlier this month with workers, Tesla said the shutdown would begin the week of June 30 and production would resume the following week, according to a person familiar with the matter. This is Business Insider reports, and I will have the link in the description. During the pause, Tesla employees can use paid time off or come off voluntary training and cleaning, so that's good. The pause would enable the automaker Tesla to perform maintenance on production lines, the company told workers. So Tesla is going to make some good maintenance, some enhancements. Tesla told staff the improvements would help ramp up production, according to the person. It didn't specify which lines could see increased output. Friends, in the lead up to the planned shutdown, the car maker has also been preparing for a robotaxi launch in Austin, so these may be tied together. CEO Elon Musk has said the first rides will be offered in a Model Y. The company plans to launch with 10 to 20 of the vehicles, he said. The Business Insider says Tesla did not respond to a request for comment about the planned shutdown. This is an internal information they're doing. Business Insider is reporting Tesla has paused production at the Austin facility at least twice over the past 12 months, again according to Business Insider. During a production pause on Cybertruck and Model Y lines in late May, the company held voluntary training that included seminars on improving the work culture at the factory, and looks like Tesla is doing the same this time, giving also people paid time. Tesla also paused production of the Cybertruck for 3 days in December of 2024. At the time, workers said they were told it was because of a battery supply issue. Could be. In April, the automaker reduced production of the electric pickup truck and moved some workers off the line. Speaking of Tesla pickup truck, what are you hearing, guys? Do you see more people buying it or sales slowing down? Anyway, it's common for some automakers to shut down production lines for week on end, especially weeks around weekend, during holiday periods especially, or summer months when auto sales typically slow down. The production pauses allow companies to conduct routine maintenance and update lines. They can also give companies time, much needed time, to address inventory surpluses or parts shortages until the companies will be able to line them up. In the fall of 2024, Ford suspended production of its F-150 Lightning for 7 weeks, not 1 week like Tesla is doing this time, but for 7 weeks. During the semiconductor shortages in 2021, both Ford and GM paused production at some of their plants. So there is nothing special, but it's good to know about these things. Until recently, these kinds of production pauses had been rare at Elon Musk's automaker. Four workers told Business Insider. Tesla is expected to release its second quarter delivery numbers in July next month. During its first quarter, Tesla reported a 13% drop year over year. As of March 20, Tesla has delivered fewer than 50,000 Cybertrucks, according to a voluntary recall notice. Friends, Tesla released a refreshed version of its Model Y, the company's best-selling model, in January. For now, all eyes are on the company's coming robotaxi launch. Musk said on June 10 that the company, quote-unquote, tentatively planned to begin offering the self-driving robotaxi service on June 22nd in Austin. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel if you want to know the latest about that. Elon Musk said, "We're being super paranoid about safety, so the date could shift." Musk said in a post on X. So they want to go very slow and conservative, which is a good thing for safety. By June 2028, the vehicle would be able to drive themselves from the factory to customer's house, he added, and which is another interesting development. What do you think about these developments and Tesla's shutdown, making improvements and going very cautious about robotaxi? I think these are very positive things, and competition has come up. Tesla is facing great competition from other car companies that make great electric vehicles these days, especially BYD in China or Honda in the United States, or some other car companies that in the United States make superb electric vehicles. So this is normal processes. Tesla is improving, and honestly, it may be a very positive thing that Elon Musk has left Dodge and is more involved now, probably with Tesla being at the helm of the electric vehicle car company. Let me know your thoughts, friends, in the comment section below. Let's have a discussion. And by the way, I enabled the community. Now you guys can post in our community page if you have interesting information, maybe great story ideas that you think needs to be reported on our channel. That we can have a discussion there as well. And visit us, please, at torquenews.com for daily automotive electric vehicle news. God bless you and everyone, and I'll see you soon in our next report tomorrow.